Grade 5, Unit 4, Beautiful Nature. Part 2, Term 1, We Can. Unit 4, Beautiful Nature. Talk time. Listen and point. Look, it's a snake. It's short. No, it's long. Look, it's a plastic bag. It's beautiful. No, it's ugly.
Exercise 3. Listen, point, and say. Then write SN or SH. Snake, snake. Snow, snow.
Snake, snake. Snow, snow.
Shake, shake. Show, show.
Shake, shake. Show, show. Snake, snake. Snow, snow. Shake, shake. Show, show.
Show me the snake.
Funtime. Find something beautiful. Look around and find a beautiful or an ugly object. Find something that's beautiful or ugly. Look at the beautiful flower. Look, it's a plastic bag. It's ugly. No, it's not. Yes, it is.
Listening. Exercise 1. Chant and march. I love the mountains.
I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the campfire when all the stars are out. I sit and look, I look and smile. I'm happy to be under the sky.
I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the campfire when all the stars are out. I sit and look, I look and smile. I'm happy to be under the sky.
Sounds and letters. Exercise 2. Listen, say, and number. Then read.
Listen, point, and say. Number 1. Mountains, mountains.
Mountains, mountains.
Number 2. Cats, cats.
Cats, cats.
Number 3. Faces, faces.
Faces, faces.
Now listen, read, and number. If you hear z, z, write the number 1. If you hear s, s, write the number 2. If you hear is, write the number 3.
Are you ready? Let's begin. Ducks, ducks. Flowers, flowers. Hills, hills. Dresses, dresses. Snakes, snakes. Noses, noses. Exercise 3. Months and seasons chant. Listen and match, then chant and do.
Let's practice first.
Back to school, it's fall. September, October, November.
Back to school, it's fall. September, October, November.
Getting cooler, winter's here. December, January, February.
Getting cooler, winter's here. December, January, February.
Flowers are out, it's spring. March, April, May.
Flowers are out in spring. March, April, May.
Yummy, summer's here. June, July, August. Are you ready to chant and do?
Back to school, it's fall. September, October, November. Getting cooler, winter's here. December, January, February. Flowers are out in spring. March, April, May. Yummy summer's here. June, July, August, and back again.
Words in action. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say.
1. Long, long. 2. Short, short. 3. Big, big. 4. Small, small. 5. Quiet, quiet. 6. Noisy, noisy. 7. Weak, weak. 8. Strong, strong.
Opposites. Number 1, long. The opposite of long is short. Number 2, big. The opposite of big is small. Number 3, quiet. The opposite of quiet is noisy, noisy. Number 4, weak. The opposite of weak is strong.
Funtime. Exercise 4. Guess what it is. Do the opposite action.
It's big. It's gray. What is it? It's a mouse. No, it's an elephant. A mouse is small. It's small. It's green and blue. What is it? It's a fish. No, it's noisy. It's a parrot. Yes, it's a parrot.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.
Phonics. Exercise 1. Listen, read, and say. C and G jingles.
C says cat. C says cake. C says cap. G says goat. G says gorilla. G says
C says cake. C says cap. G says goat. G says gorilla. G says girl.
Exercise 2. Listen, point, and say.
write GR, CR, GL, or CL.
Are you ready? Let's practice first. G says G, G, goat. G, G, goat.
G says g, g, goat. G, g, goat.
C says K, K, coat. K, K, coat.
C says c, c, coat. C, c, coat.
CR says cr, cr, crab. Cr, cr, crab.
CR says cr, cr, crab. Cr, cr, crab.
Crab, crab.
Crab, crab.
GR says gr, gr, grass. Gr, gr, grass.
GR says gr, gr, grass. Gr, gr, grass.
GL says gl, gl, glass. Gl, gl, glass.
GL says gl, gl, glass. Gl, gl, glass.
CL says cl, cl, class. Cl, cl, class.
CL says cl, cl, class. Cl, cl, class.
Funtime. Exercise 3. Word making game. Listen to the teacher and hold up the letters.
Are you ready? Let's start. Can you make this word? Bag, bag.
B, b, ah, ah,
G, g.
bag.
Good job.
We got it.
Can you make this word? Cat, cat.
C, c, ah, ah,
T, t.
cat.
Good job.
We got it.
Can you make this word? Bug, bug.
B, b,
G, g.
bug. We got it.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.
Thanks for watching. Prepared by Ms. Noor Ghazali.